I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to block whispers from strangers in the Twitch mobile app. Step 1. Open the Twitch mobile app and then click Profile in the menu along the bottom of this screen. Your Twitch profile screen is displayed. Step 2. Tap Settings in this menu. The Settings menu is shown. Step 3. Tap Security and Privacy. Step 4. Find Block Whispers from Strangers in this list and then click to toggle that option on. Going forward, whispers will be blocked from all strangers unless you give them permission. A stranger is anyone who isn't your Twitch follower, a sub, a mod, or an editor. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.